My name's Jarrod. I'm a foreman here at East and Westbrook, and this is what's in my tool bag. Here at East and Westbrook, I find myself doing many different jobs. Because of that, the content of my tool bag is constantly changing. What's in my bag today is for metalwork. So with that, let's take a look. I got a square. I got two sets of snips. One of them cuts left and one of them cuts right. I got a pencil. I got a bit extender. I got a tape measure. And I got a cell phone. Got all different kinds of bits, drill bits. I got some metal benders. So basically you stick your metal in here, clamp it down, and you can bend your metal. Got a chalk line. Got a pair of vice grips. I got a 90. So the 90 is for to get in the hard to reach places. You stick a bit in right here. You hook it into your drill, and then you can get in tight areas. Got a little wrench. And I got some electrical tape. So attached to my tool belt is my safety harness, and I got my SRLs hooked onto my safety harness. And I got my D-ring extender, and that's for working above heights. So a lot of these items most people have in their tool bag. But the one thing that people don't have in their tool bag that I have in mine are these hands.